Hello everyone, I'm Assistant Professor Sarita Tambe from St. Wilfred College of Arts, Commerce and Science, Panvel. In this today's video, I'm going to show you how to prepare ledger account in the books of vendor company. So actually we are solving the previous illustration that I have started in my previous lecture. That was illustration number 2. Okay, so illustration number 2, what we have seen there. So BK Limited, that new company is formed by taking over the business of Bunti Limited and Kuber Limited. So first step, we have calculated the purchase consideration, right? Purchase consideration paid by new company Bunti Limited 4,65,000 and paid to the Kuber Limited 3,12,000, right? So in this today's lecture, let's prepare the ledger account. So for that, you will have to prepare realization account, equity shareholder account, BK Limited, then 11% preference shareholder account, equity shares in BK Limited account, 12.5% preference shares in BK Limited, and cash account. So these account you will have to create. Okay, सेम इन केस ऑफ कुबेर लिमिटेड. कुबेर लिमिटेड के लिए भी आपको इतने सारे अकाउंट ड्रॉ करने हैं, बिकॉज जस्ट हमें क्या पूछा है, पीसी कैलकुलेट करो एंड लेजर अकाउंट क्रिएट करो. ओके, so let's make a journal entry and make a ledger posting in the respective ledger account. So what is the first step for preparing the ledger account, right, or closing the business of vendor company? Let me show you. First one, that is a realization account को हमें क्या करना है, all the asset transfer करना है at a book value. So let's transfer all the asset at a book value to all to both the realization account of Bunti Limited as well as Kuber Limited. Okay, so let me show you the balance sheet of Bunti Limited. All these are assets, goodwill नहीं है, right? यहाँ पे share issue expenses है, this will we are not going to transfer because this is a fictitious asset, right? So ये fictitious asset छोड़ के सारी assets हम पहले transfer करते हैं debit side to the Bunti Limited, right? So Bunti Limited account debit with all the assets at a book value. Okay, so these are the assets we have recorded. So how will be the journal entry? Realization account debit to Bunti Limited, right? Let's transfer all the assets of कुबेर लिमिटेड एज वेल. ओके, सो कुबेर लिमिटेड के एसेट देखो कौन से हैं, सेम ये गुडविल से. अदर एसेट शेयर इश्यू एक्सपेंसेस नहीं हम ट्रांसफर करेंगे. ऑल द एसेट्स एट अ बुक वैल्यू वी आर गोइंग टू ट्रांसफर टू द कुबेर लिमिटेड. ओके, सो लेट्स ट्रांसफर हियर ऑल द एसेट टू द कुबेर लिमिटेड अकाउंट. So we have transfer all the asset. This is the first journal entry. Now let me show you here. यहाँ पे जो कैश एंड बैंक हमने ट्रांसफर किया है वो कितना किया है, 3,000, राइट ना? सॉरी, इसको हम बाद में देखते हैं, पहले हम देखते हैं ये अमाउंट टू कैश एंड बैंक अकाउंट. सी व्हाट इज द इंफॉर्मेशन इज गिवन इन केस ऑफ द कुबेर लिमिटेड. सी कैश रुपीज 3,000 इज टू बी रिटेन फॉर लिक्विडेशन एक्सपेंसेस. 3,000 लिक्विडेशन एक्सपेंसेस के लिए क्या करना है, रिटेन करना है. तो दैट्स व्हाई we are transferring only 5,000 and 3,000 transferring to the cash account. So that's why यहाँ पे हमने लिया है cash at bank 5,000. how it 8,000 minus 3,000 as a return रखना है for liquidation expenses. So we have transfer only 5,000 here and cash 3,000 we will transfer to the balance brought down at the debit side of cash account. Okay, now first step we have done transferring all the asset to the realization account. Now the next step क्या है, transfer all the liabilities to the realization account. realization account को हमें सारी liabilities क्या करनी है, transfer करनी है. तो let's see the liability of Bunti Limited. Bunti Limited के कौन सी liability है, 9% debentures, sundry creditors and other liability. So at a book value we are going to transfer all these liability to shareholder realization account. So यहाँ पे हमने वो transfer की all the liabilities, 9% debentures, sundry creditors and other current liability. Same हम transfer करेंगे कुबेर Limited. Okay, 9% debentures, sundry creditors and other liability, 1,40,000, 24,000. So let's see, I am transferring here. Okay, so we done with the two steps. First one, transfer all the asset to realization account and transfer all the liabilities to the credit side of realization account. How was the entry? Realization to sundry asset for transferring asset and sundry liabilities to realization for transferring of the liabilities to the realization account. Now what is the next step? Next step क्या है? Yes, next step, make a due the purchase consideration from the purchasing company. So how is the journal entry? Purchasing company account debit to realization account. So ledger posting हम realization account में करेंगे by purchasing company. So which one is a purchasing company in our illustration? Yes, it is a BK Limited. So right here by BK Limited 4,65,000. This is a purchase consideration, right? PC. So 4,65,000 purchase consideration due to Bunty Limited. How I have taken here? See, 4,65,000 PC of Bunty Limited and 3,12,000 PC of Kuber Limited. So let's make an entry for the Kuber Limited as well by BK Limited account 3,12,000 for the purchase consideration. Okay, so after purchase consideration, what is the next entry? Let me check you. See, make the due purchase consideration from the purchasing company. Now receive the purchase consideration from the purchasing company. अभी पीसी जो रिसीव हुआ है उसकी एंट्री करनी है. तो पीसी क्या क्या दिया है? पीसी किस फॉर्म में दिया है? सी इन केस ऑफ दी बंटी लिमिटेड इक्विटी शेयर होल्डर को पीसी दिया है 28,000 के इक्विटी शेयर्स 10 each 2,80,000 कैश 20,000 एंड प्रेफरेंस शेयर होल्डर को परचेस कंसिडरेशन क्या दिया है 1,65,000. Now let's see the purchase consideration for Kuber Limited. Yes, equity shareholder को दिया है 20,200 equity shares 2,12,000 or 2,000 and preference shareholder को दिया है 1,10,000. So let's make the entry. How is the journal entry for the making? Yes, cash अगर cash मिले तो cash account debit, preference shares in purchasing company account debit, equity shares in purchasing company account debit to purchasing company account. Okay, so purchasing company के credit में हम क्या क्या record करेंगे? Buy cash और bank, buy preference shares in new company and equity shares in new company. So let's, where is our BK Limited? हाँ, ये BK Limited का भी realization हमें posting करना है यहाँ पे. Okay, to realization account 4,65,000. Same we will transfer to the BK Limited of in the books of Kuber Limited. Okay, now let give the receive the payment. तो यहाँ पे क्या क्या receive हुआ है to the BK Limited for BK Limited sorry for Bunty Limited equity shares AB Limited 2,80,000 cash 20,000 and 12.5% preference shares in BK Limited 1,65,000. यहाँ पे हमारा ये अकाउंट टैली होता है सॉरी 4,65,000 4,65,000. So in this way BK Limited account is tallied because this is the receipt of the PC from the BK Limited in the books of Bunty Limited. Now let's see Kuber Limited में भी हम वैसी एंट्री करते हैं. Yes, Kuber Limited को क्या क्या PC मिला है? Sorry, Kuber Limited को from the BK Limited equity shares in AB Limited 2,02,000 and 12% preference shares in BK Limited 1 lakh. Let make the close this account 3,12,000 and 3,12,000. Okay, so ये एंट्री करनी है हमें receipt of purchase consideration. Now see we have created all these account, right? Okay, so let's give the ledger posting to that account. Equity shares account we have created, so let's give debit to the equity shares. Yes, here is the equity shares in AB Limited 2,80,000. So let's make a ledger posting 2,80,000 BK Limited, right? Then we have created cash account, so let's give the debit to the cash account to BK Limited 20,000. Then यहाँ पे 12% preference shares account हमने create किया 1,65,000. So where is that account? So let's give the debit to that respective account. Same in case of a Kuber Limited हम करेंगे equity shares in AB Limited 2,02,000. So debit करेंगे यहाँ पे 2,02,000. Then 12.5% preference shares in BK Limited 1,10,000. So let's give the debit. Okay, तो ये step भी हमारी हो गई, right? Okay, so we receive the purchase consideration from the company and give ledger posting to the respective account. Okay, now do the treatment of liquidation expenses. Okay, तो liquidation expenses की treatment हमें यहाँ पे करनी है. But see in case of a Bunty Limited liquidation expenses की कोई information नहीं दी है. but we have the information in the Kuber Limited, right? So Kuber Limited के लिए information हमें क्या दिया था? Cash ₹3000 is to be retained for the liquidation. So ये liquidation का जो expenses है वो कौन कर रहा है? Yes, the vendor company. So how will be the journal entry for if the expenses are to be borne and paid by the vendor company? So simple entry you will have to pass here, realization account debit to bank account. Okay, so let's pass the journal entry and give the debit to the bank account. Let me show you here. Kuber Limited के बुक में हम करते realization account to cash to cash oblique bank account debit to realization account debit to cash oblique bank account debit 3000. So see, we have created cash account as well, right? So let's give the credit here, realization account. Okay, so in this way our cash account is also tallied. So 3000 हमने retain रखे थे और वो pay किए for the liquidation expenses. So how entry I have passed? Realization account debit to cash account. Okay, so ये entry हो गई हमारी related to realization expenses. So after realization expenses, यहाँ पे six step and 7 steps for the asset those are not taken up by the purchasing company and liability is not taken over by the purchasing company, but that kind of information is not given, so we will skip these 2 steps. नेक्स्ट स्टेप क्या है? डिस्चार्ज द क्लेम ऑफ प्रेफरेंस शेयर होल्डर. प्रेफरेंस शेयर होल्डर को जितना ड्यू है उनका क्या करना है? ड्यू करना है और उनको उस तरह से पेमेंट करना है. तो लेट मी शो यू कि प्रेफरेंस शेयर होल्डर बंटी लिमिटेड के कितने ड्यू है. यस, 1,50,000 एंड कुबर लिमिटेड के कितने? 1 लाख. तो पहले क्या करते हैं? उनका अकाउंट हमने क्रिएट किया है तो उनके क्रेडिट पे वो अमाउंट हम ट्रांसफर करते हैं बाय 11% प्रेफरेंस शेयर कैपिटल 1,50,000 in the books of Bunty Limited and in the books of Kuber Limited कितना है देखते हैं. Yes, 1 lakh, right? So by 11% preference share capital 1 lakh. Okay. Now payment की एंट्री करनी है. पेमेंट की एंट्री कैसी करनी है? सी, ड्यू हमने तो किया. नाउ पेक द पेमेंट. प्रेफरेंस शेयर होल्डर अकाउंट डेबिट टू बैंक अगर कैश दिया है एंड टू प्रेफरेंस शेयर्स इन पर्चेसिंग कंपनी. तो प्रेफरेंस शेयर होल्डर को जो दिया है प्रेफरेंस शेयर्स, राइट, उसकी हम एंट्री यहाँ पे पास करते हैं. राइट, सो यहाँ पे हमने अकाउंट क्रिएट किया है 12.5% प्रेफरेंस शेयर्स इन बीके लिमिटेड. सो हाउ विल बी द जर्नल एंट्री? प्रेफरेंस शेयर होल्डर अकाउंट डेबिट टू 12.5% प्रेफरेंस शेयर. सो 11% प्रेफरेंस शेयर अकाउंट हमने यहाँ पे लिया है तो यहाँ पे हम डेबिट करेंगे टू 12.5% प्रेफरेंस शेयर्स इन बीके लिमिटेड. द अमाउंट ड्यू इज 1,50,000 फॉर दी प्रेफरेंस शेयर होल्डर. बट हम उनको कितने अमाउंट के प्रेफरेंस शेयर दे रहे हैं? न्यू कंपनी दे रही है 1,65,000. तो इस अकाउंट को हम क्रेडिट करेंगे बाय प्रेफरेंस शेयर होल्डर 1,65,000 एंड लेट्स क्लोज दिस अकाउंट 1,65,000. राइट, सेम एंट्री हम कहाँ पे करेंगे? कुबेर लिमिटेड. कुबेर लिमिटेड 12.5% preference shares in BK Limited. So how will be the journal entry? Preference shareholder account debit to 12.5% preference shareholder. So यहाँ पे हम रिकॉर्ड करेंगे, पोस्टिंग करेंगे टू 12.5% preference shares in BK Limited and यहाँ पे हम करेंगे क्रेडिट बाय प्रेफरेंस शेयरहोल्डर अकाउंट 1,10,000. लेस क्लोज दिस अकाउंट बाय 1,10,000. ओके, नाउ सी आफ्टर दी पेमेंट हमें करना है प्रेफरेंस शेयर होल्डर को, राइट. बट सी यहाँ पे जो डिफरेंस है, द अमाउंट इज पेएबल टू प्रेफरेंस शेयर होल्डर फॉर द प्रेफरेंस शेयर कैपिटल 1,50,000. बट द एक्स्ट्रा अमाउंट इज गिवन हियर, राइट. वो कितनी एक्स्ट्रा अमाउंट है? राइट, द एक्स्ट्रा अमाउंट वी आर गिविंग टू प्रेफरेंस शेयर होल्डर 15,000 और वो हम कैसे दे रहे हैं? एट अ प्रीमियम, राइट. द इंफॉर्मेशन इज गिवन, राइट. सो यहाँ पे हम ये जो लॉस है कंपनी के लिए लॉस है, राइट ना, वेंडर कंपनी के लिए, क्योंकि 1,50,000 के शेयर कैपिटल रेज किया था और उनको एक्स्ट्रा कितना पे करे? 1,65,000 के 12.5% शेयर्स. तो ये जो लॉस है यू विल हैव टू ट्रांसफर टू द रियलाइजेशन अकाउंट. तो ये कहाँ पे ट्रांसफर करेंगे हम? बाय रियलाइजेशन अकाउंट 15,000 50,000 एंड वी विल हैव टू गिव डेबिट टू द रियलाइजेशन अकाउंट टू 11% preference share holder, right? 11% preference share holder. ये क्या है? Yes, this is for the premium loss. Let me highlight here. Premium. ये लॉस है, ओके, वी हैव ट्रांसफर हियर. सेम इन केस ऑफ द कुबेर लिमिटेड के लिए भी हम ये लॉस ट्रांसफर करेंगे, राइट. 1,10,000, the amount is payable to preference shareholder 1 lakh, but the PC is 1,10,000, right? So the remaining is what? 10,000 is a premium, and that is transferred to the realization account. So let's transfer here realization account 10,000. Okay, so we have clear the claim of the preference shareholder. Okay, so claim of preference shareholder is nil. Now let's see what is the next journal entry. Ascertain the profit and loss on realization. तो realization account जो हमने create किया है, just for what purpose? To know जो business liquidate किया है तो उसका profit हुआ या loss हुआ है, तो वो हमें find out करना है, right? So let's find out it. तो पहले हमें क्या करना पड़ेगा? We will have to make the total of debit side and credit side. So when we will make the total of debit and credit side, we will get the amount. Okay, तो यहाँ पे हम total करते हैं debit side का, तो total of the debit side is 6,68,000, right? 6,68,000. And what is the total of credit side? So let's take here the total 1 lakh plus 60,000 plus 40,000 plus 4,65,000. So total कितना है? 6,65,000. So it means जो रिमेनिंग डिफरेंस है 3,000 का, वो क्या है? लॉस है. और लॉस कहाँ पे ट्रांसफर करना है? टू द इक्विटी शेयर होल्डर. ओके, सो तो बाय इक्विटी शेयर होल्डर अकाउंट 3 lakh, दिस लॉस इज ट्रांसफर टू द इक्विटी शेयर होल्डर ऑफ द बंटी लिमिटेड. ओके, तो वी हैव क्रिएटेड द इक्विटी शेयर होल्डर अकाउंट, राइट? सो लेट्स ट्रांसफर द लॉस टू द इक्विटी शेयर होल्डर अकाउंट. यहाँ पे लॉस ट्रांसफर करते हैं एट द एंड टू रियलाइजेशन अकाउंट फॉर द लॉस ट्रांसफर. तो ये लॉस हमें कहाँ पे ट्रांसफर करना है? रियलाइजेशन अकाउंट 3,000. सेम हम कुबेर लिमिटेड का भी रियलाइजेशन अकाउंट का लॉस फाइंड आउट करते हैं. यहाँ पे देखो टोटल कितना आ रहा है? टोटल ऑफ द कुबेर लिमिटेड 4 lakh. जस्ट अ मिनट, आई विल शो यू हियर. 4 lakh, जस्ट अ मिनट, 4,88,000. This is the total of debit side. Let's check the total of the credit side also. So total of credit side 1 lakh. Let me correct here. 1 lakh. Okay. So total 1 lakh. Just a minute. Yeah. Total 1 lakh plus 40,000 plus 24,000 plus 3,12,000. So total कितना आ रहा है? 4,76,000. तो यहाँ पे जो डिफरेंस है वो डिफरेंस कितना आ रहा है? That is a 12,000, and this 12,000 loss we will transfer to the equity shareholder. Okay, so in this way we have calculated the loss on the liquidation of this company. So let's transfer this loss to the equity shareholder account. I'm transferring here. Yes, to realization loss 12,000. Okay, so after finding out the loss or profit of the realization account, the next step is what? Transfer the capital and the reserve and any losses to the equity shareholder account. Let me show you here. Okay, transfer the equity share capital, accumulated profit, reserve to the equity shareholder. So let me show you here. General reserve is given, profit and loss account and equity share capital. तो ये तीनों पहले हम बंटी लिमिटेड का देखते हैं, राइट? ओके, बंटी लिमिटेड का पहले हम ट्रांसफर करते हैं. इक्विटी शेयर कैपिटल 2,40,000. इक्विटी शेयर कैपिटल 2,40,000. देन व्हाट इज गिवन? General reserve 45,000, profit and loss account 30,000. So let's transfer here. Okay, so we have transfer here. General reserve 45,000 and profit and loss account 30,000. We will also transfer the loss. This is a fictitious asset. Share issue expenses 12,000. तो ये हम transfer करेंगे to the equity shareholders debit side, right? So just a minute, students. So these are the share issue expenses. Let me correct it. Share issue expenses कितना हुआ था? वो 12,000. Okay, so we have transfer here to the equity shareholder account. So in this way, we have transfer equity share capital, these two reserves, and this fictitious asset, that is a loss to the equity shareholder. Now same हमें कुबेर लिमिटेड का भी ट्रांसफर करना है. इक्विटी शेयर 1,60,000, जनरल रिजर्व 40, profit and loss 21,000, and share issue expenses 7,000. So let's transfer to the equity shareholder credit side. By equity share capital 1,60,000, general reserve 40,000, profit and loss account 21,000, and the share issue expenses debit 7,000. Okay, so see 7,000 share issue expenses. So after transferring, what is the next step? To transfer the equity share capital, accumulated losses. Okay, make a final payment to equity shareholder. अभी equity shareholder को क्या करना है? Payment करना है. How is a journal entry? Equity shareholder account debit to whatever given to the equity shareholder, equity shares, then cash and bank. तो उसी तरह से हमें entry करनी है. तो let's see the equity shareholder account, right? So equity shareholder account को क्या क्या दिया है? Yes, equity shares दिए हैं and the cash. So 2 equity shares in BK Limited 2,80,000 and cash 20,000. So let's give the posting to this respective account because we have created equity shares account. तो यहाँ पे हम लिखेंगे equity shareholder account. Now the equity shareholder, ये equity shares in BK Limited account is tallied, right? Now we also created the cash account. Let's pay this cash to the equity shareholder, right? Now close this also account, cash account. So equity shareholder account को हमने क्या किया? Transfer किया, right? So see, we have closed all the respective account here. Now equity shareholder account. Now same हमें payment करना है to the equity shareholders of the Kuber Limited, right? So Kuber Limited को सिर्फ क्या दिया है? Equity share दिया है. Not a cash is given. 2,02,000. So let me show you here equity shares in account. So let's pay this equity shares to the equity shareholder account. In this way, we have close this also account. So see, remaining accounts we have closed. Now what is the last step? Last step to close the equity shareholder account. So let's make the total of this. So the total is what? 3,15,000 debit side total, and credit side total is also 3,50,000. So our equity shareholder account is tallied in the books of Bunty Limited. It means what? Our solution is correct. Now in case of a Kuber Limited, let's close the account of equity shareholder. The equity shareholder account is closed of Kuber Limited 2,21,000, and in case of the credit side is also 2,21,000. So equity shareholder account is also tallied here. Okay, so in this way we have prepared all the ledgers account in the books of vendor company, Bunty Limited and Kuber Limited. Let me repeat. First, we have transfer all the assets and liabilities. Then we make the PC purchase consideration due की entry किया. Okay. Then after that, receipt of from the purchasing company से receipt का entry किया. उसके बाद liquidation expenses का किया. Then payment किया. Preference shareholders, right? Then हमने realization loss find out किया. And after that, payment किया equity shareholder. Okay. So in this way, we have solved this illustration. Thank you very much.